What happened is that some of these are already in the legal process. And we're not talking here about, we're looking at about 10 or 11 individuals. And so there's no, it's not as if though there's any manufacturing of injuries. These are things which have already been processed with the medical legal forms. We have it on the record. And for us, that was one of the most grotesque moments in a saga that has had some very grotesque moments. So that says a lot. We have not forgotten it. We have a member who has basically, if it were not for brotherly love, would not be earning an income. I have to be honest, because he's physically limited. But he is supported so that he can help and do the work. But that's a direct result of the injuries that happened that day. We can't understand how employees ended up being on the receiving end of that. And the fact that the state actually acknowledged that this was not sanctioned means that we cannot leave that unresolved. We have preached that to our members, that it cannot be left undealt with. And so when this opportunity created itself, it was extremely important to us for not only for what the individual member is going to get, but I think for setting a precedent in the state that this is not something that you can do. You must respect the right of the employees to stand up. And so I absolutely put on the record that that is a consequential aspect of this. And again, for us, while the language of the M.O.U. does not state that the state itself is accepting responsibility